everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of portable powerhouses gaming laptops. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your esports journey, the right laptop can make all the difference. So, let's explore the top 3 gaming laptops of 2024 to fit your needs. First up, the MSI Titan 18HX. This beast is a desktop replacement on steroids. It boasts the latest Intel Core i9-14900HX CPU and an NVIDIA RTX 40 series GPU, making it a dream for running even the most demanding games at max settings. The massive 18-inch display ensures an immersive experience, perfect for those who love getting lost in the game. Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Generation 8. If you're looking for a balance between power and portability, Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Generation 8 is a fantastic choice. It packs a punch with a 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and an RTX 40 series GPU, delivering smooth gameplay for most titles. The Legion also boasts a beautiful display and a comfortable keyboard with customizable lighting for those late-night gaming sessions. Acer Nitro 16. On a tighter budget, don't worry, the Acer Nitro 16 has you covered. This value champion features an AMD Ryzen 5 processor and an NVIDIA RTX 4050 GPU, allowing you to play most games at decent settings. The Nitro also offers great battery life, making it a good choice for students who want to game on the go. Let us know in the comments below which gaming laptop caught your eye, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.